Hi, Algebra Essentials students. Welcome to week 3 of Algebra Essentials Remote Learning. We are starting our 7th and absolute last unit of Algebra Essentials. Woo, we made it. Our last unit, Unit 7, is called Systems of Equations. And if you look over here on the side of your screen, I have Systems of Equations graphed. So a system is just two or more equations that are in the same graph. You could have them graphically, you can have them as equation, as tables, but on the side here I have two systems. Sometimes they cross each other once, sometimes they're parallel, and they never cross each other, and sometimes they're right on top of each other and they're actually the exact same line. So this whole unit we're going to be looking at two or more equations called systems. So let me walk you through this week's Google Classroom. Click on our class, Algebra Essentials, go to classwork. First and foremost, answer the question to stay connected. The question this week is, do you think we will return to school after, April 30th, this school year? My guess is no. I think we're going to be remote learning for the rest of the school year. So submit question 3, week 3 question, and then go back to the classroom. Let's look at our classwork. So this week we have nothing to submit in Google Classroom, but we do have assignments. So look again at the Algebra Essentials schedule. We're in week 3, so weeks 1 and 2 are grayed out now. Week 3. Unit 7, solutions to systems of equations, just like I just showed you a system, and graphing them. So to do on Tuesday, watch this week 3 welcome video. Hopefully you're already watching it now. Then watch this video. This is our notes from Mr. DeFelice describing how to find solutions and take notes using this note sheet. So you can use a scratch sheet of paper if you don't have a printer to print out this note sheet. After watching the video and taking notes, then complete Alex 21. On Thursday, similarly, watch this video. It's a new video from Mr. DeFelice, describing how to graph and find solutions, and then take notes using this note sheet. You can use scratch paper if you don't have a printer to print out this note sheet. Complete Alex 22. So all you're doing this week is watching some notes videos on new material and completing Alex. So this could be challenging for some of us to learn new material from a video. Please do not hesitate to email or send a remind to me or Mr. D or Ms. Chapman, and we'll find a way to help you learn this new material. I hope you guys are all well and happy. We have almost been away from each other for, oh gosh, I think actually it is over a month now that we've been away from each other, so I missed you. Let us know if you need anything, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.